Hi guys, Derek here. Okay, so January's box came through. This is the EU mystery box once again. This was delayed due to extra parts coming in for the project for this month. So, I only just got it today. I'm just going to open it up. Okay, let's take a look, see what we got this month. Right, so we have got, okay, a bit of a full box here, which is always good. Biofusion Inca Gold. Okay, so we've got a QR code there. If you want to scan it, you're welcome to. We have, it's a 200 to 230. It's a normal sort of, I'm guessing it's a silk PLA. It looks alright. Quite nice, a very nice gold. Okay, so we've got some hips. Sulphur yellow. Okay, so this is another two. The bed temperatures are 90 to 100. So if you've got a printer without a heated bed, obviously this ain't going to work. So there it is. It's from Filament PM. There's a QR code. The first lot was from, looks like Extruder. Okay, next one. We have 3D Cordio Everfill PLA light blue. Standard light blue PLA. It's quite nice. QR code again, once again there if you want to scan it. Get some more information. We have got Print Me Swift Pet G Blue Lagoon. So this is a 220 to 260. Once again, the bed temp is in the region of 70 to 90. Speeds, normal sort of speed I would normally print this at, but it's 20 to 60. And when I print PETG, I normally leave the fan off, and then on about a third layer, I normally put it on about 25%, just to help out. But there it is. Let's have a look in here. What we've got here, project. The Hungry Robot. Okay. So all the parts are here for the Hungry Robot. Looking interesting. That's for the project. Way up, what's this? Big Tree Tech Accessory SKR Mini. Okay, alright, well, I'm going to say thanks straight away, because that is an amazing product to have. Let's open this up. Complete brand new SKR Mini. Well, I've got a couple of printers that can go into if needed. That's the accessory for this month. A very cool accessory. Thank you very much. What we got in here? Okay, so we've got the 3D printed samples. So we've got the Extruder Biofusion Inca Gold. It does have a nice sheen to it. This will be the hips yellow. It's definitely a nice yellow. We have the Print Me Pet G Blue Lagoon. It's got like a crystal look to it. So if you're printing like a vase or something like that, you'll be able to see through it, which would be quite nice. And then this is 3D Kodo PLA light blue. Fantastic. And the complimentary Haribo. Okay, a very good box. I think it was worth the wait. This is on Thingiverse. The QR code is there. I can't really. Let me. Open that up for you so you can see it and scan it. Okay. So you've got the Thingiverse link there. So it's 2824451. Hungry Robot. I'm guessing it's like a coin, money box coin thing, which would be quite cool. Project, Accessory, Big Tree, SKR Mini. We have the PETG from Print Me, Everfield PLA Blue, Hips Sulphur Yellow, Biofusion Inca Gold. Wow. Okay, that was a cool box. I've got some ideas I can do with that accessory for sure. The project I'm definitely going to make that's pretty cool. Once again, this was January's EU 3D mystery box, which is £30 and £5 for shipping. I think it's very good for the money and very good for value. All the links will be down below if you want to go and grab one. It's definitely worth it. Now don't forget, this is January's box, so February's box will be available as from now. But you're going to need to obviously jump on the link and order one, because you won't be able to get January's box because this is January's box, if that makes sense. Anyway, I'm going to go. Thank you very much. Once again, most of my people who view haven't hit that sub button. Hit the sub button, show some love. Also hit the bell for any future upcoming videos. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, give us a thumbs down. Tell us why. I'll see if I can improve the videos or do some sort of quality for the videos. Other than that, be yourselves. See you later. Bye.